Today's May 28th, 2022. It's opening day at Canobie Lake Park. It's a anti-carousel update. Carousel not open yet, but the carousel gonna be open sometime this summer. So the new update is the carousel got painted, the roof got redone, you got new shingles. They did the shingles, they did the windows, they repainted the panels, they did the lights over. So this is an update video of the carousel. They still got a lot of work to do here. So the horses in storage right now. They probably be doing them too. About a couple of years ago, they redid the horses. So see, they doing the whole carousel. So the carousel is over 120 years old now. So I'm kind of happy. I am happy they're doing a whole restored on this carousel. It's nice. So I think they probably doing a queue line over. Yeah, they did a lot of work here. They repainted everything. But they still got a lot of work. So the carousel might be open maybe next month, maybe a couple weeks. Yeah, but there's a whole update on the carousel. Nice. So I see they paint this, paint that. Hopefully the carousel will be open soon. We're gonna walk around the whole carousel. So they closed the carousel 2020. 2020 they stopped this whole project on the carousel. Yeah, the last time I saw the inside of this carousel is 2019. So 3 years. So they still got a lot of work. See, they added lights to the side. So they added lights right here. So every week I'm come here, do updates on Carousel for y'all. So we're gonna do construction updates. So stay tuned. And I see they repaint this too. Yeah, they got a lot of work here. They got a lot of work to this carousel they still. This is another look on the carousel. and they still have to paint this side of the mirrors. So I give them a couple months. Carousel might be open maybe by July 4th. Give it about July 4th. That's my prediction. July 4th. But I will have updates on this carousel in the coming weeks. So there's another construction update. They redid the gates. So this gates is new. The carousel. They still got a lot of work. Oh, I see the panels. There's the panels right there. So they took the carousel sign down too. So they redoing the sign. So they're gonna repaint the sign. But the carousel looks good so far.
No, it's not her.
So the band organ's not there yet. Band organ's gone. That's the controller. So this is my construction update on the antique carousel at Canobie Lake Park. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe. If y'all like, press like. See you guys in the next adventure. The next couple of weeks I got more updates on this.